Benvenuto! Welcome to another episode of Essential Sardinian, the first Sardinian course from a non-speaker to non-speakers. Today we're going to have a look at a very important part of Sardinian language: insults. So let's get nasty. Just like any other romantic language, Sardinian has a masculine and a feminine. The first can be recognized by the ending U, whilst the feminine is characterized by the ending A. Therefore, if you want to insult a man, you would use the ending U. If you would like to insult a woman, you would use the ending A. If you would like to insult someone who doesn't identify as either of them, I'd suggest keeping your insult for yourself. For example, let's take the word leggiu, leggia, which literally means ugly. These are pronounced as follows: leggiu, leggia. For example, if you would like to insult your horrible, nasty male customer, you can say, "Have a nice day, leggiu." If you would like to insult your nasty female customer, you can say, "Have a nice day, leggia. Don't worry about getting fired." If someone asks, you can just say that you call them love. Now repeat after me. Leggiu, leggia. Perfect! Let's now move to another one of my favorites, scimpru, scimpra, which literally means stupid. It is pronounced as follows: scimpru, scimpra. For example, if that male co-worker of yours has said another stupid, idiotic thing yet again, you can turn to your work bestie and say scimpru. Instead, if the idiotic co-worker is a woman and had another one of her stupid and totally useless ideas, you can turn to your work bestie and say scimpra. Don't worry about getting it reported to the HR manager. If anyone asks, you can say it's an endearing term, just like silly, except it's not. Now repeat after me. Scimpru, scimpra. Perfect! Lastly, for the more adventurous, you can try the following. Genzesiafrori, which means a very sarcastic, "You're a flower." This is pronounced as follows: G, zesi, a, frori. For example, if someone, be they male or female, is a bit too much up their own arse, you can say Genzesiafrori. Add a heartfelt E before the phrase to make it more Sardinian. Now repeat after me. E, Genzesiafrori. Perfect! This marks the end of the second episode of Essential Sardinian, a Sardinian course from a non-speaker to non-speakers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do. If you would like to ring the bell to be notified when a new video comes up, please do. If you would like to like this video, please do. And if you would like to share this video with some lovely friends who would like to learn the Sardinian language and its insult, please do. I will see you next time. A biri.